This is Cambridge IELTS Academic 18. Test 1 Reading Passage 1. It's about urban farming. It's a heading. First, we'll read the question and mark the keyword. From there, here is give some information. Question from 1 to 3. Complete the sentence below. No more than 2 words or a number. Urban farming in Paris. Question number 1. Vertical tubes are used to grow strawberry and dash and herbs. We have to find here something fruits like strawberry and other thing. There are eventually a daily harvest as much as dash in weight of fruits and vegetable. Like weight something, that means here is measurement of fruits and vegetable. It may be possible that the farm's produce will account for as much as 10% of the city's overall. That means 10% is our keyword. Here fruits and vegetable, vertical tube. Complete the table. Question from 4 to 7. One word only. Intensive farming, growth, wide range of dash, selection quality not good, varieties of fruits and vegetables chosen that can survive long. So sales, the bank receive very little of overall income. Aromatic urban farming, no soil used, that means soil free, produce chosen because of it dash. It's blank. As a question from 8 to 13. True, false, not given. If the statement agree with information, then true. Information contradict, then false. If there is no information, then not given. Question number 8. Urban farming can take place above or below ground. Urban farming can take place above or below ground. That means here is say something urban farming, no soil. Aromatic urban farming, no soil, that means soil free. Another question. Some of the equipment used in aromatic urban farming can be made by hand. So equipment, aromatic farming made by hand is our keyword. Urban farming relies more on electricity than some other type of farming. Here is the electricity is our keyword. Fruits and vegetables grown on aromatic urban farming are cheaper than traditional growth organic produce. Most produce can grow on aeroponic urban farm at any time of the year. Here is the most produce can grow aromatic urban farm any time of the year. Bean, here is the keyword, take longer to grow on the urban farm than other vegetable. Let's go to the passage and read the passage and try to find out. First, will urban farm in Paris, vertical tube, strawberry, herbs. Here is the passage. Now we'll find the keyword. In Paris, urban farmer trying to soil-free approach. Here is soil-free approach in agriculture. So here we get the answer. Here is a soil-free approach. In true false, urban farm can take place above or below the ground. So it is a true. As say that again that less space for our resources could be help cities face threat of food supply. Stack exhibition, urban trough, strawberry we get there, our own cured initially flavor, but there is no any vertical tube here, that's why we go next. There is the vertical tube nearby brushed raw lettuce, aromatic herbs. Yes, we find also herbs here. Mm, here is our answer. Maybe let's read the whole sentence. Pear inside the used tube are completely hollow. Rows dozen strawberry. Yes, the strawberry plant digging down inside them from identical vertical tube near brushed row upon row of lettuce. Yes, lettuce is the one kind of vegetable or fruits like it's aromatic herb. So lettuce is answer number one. Our next question is eventually harvest as much as dash weight. Weight. So we have to find something weight related. There is no anything weight. Vertical farming, aromatic tower, plastic tube, been known. Paris aromatic ago. Urban roof. How square foot. Young pick up 3,000 lettuce. Planet strawberries. Pen produce. Here is the number 20 staff up to harvest 1000 kg. Yes, here is a kg perfect 35 different varieties of fruits and vegetables. Yes, fruits and vegetable every day. Here is say something about the eventually daily mean every day fruits and vegetable weight. So 1000 is answer number 2. Another question number 3. It may be possible that farm produce on account of 10%. 10%. It is easy to find out 10%. As the working significant assist space development, their reason eventually between is 5 and 10%. So we'll find our keyword and now we'll read the sentence carefully. But if enough unused space can be developed like this, there is no reason why you shouldn't eventually target maybe between 5 and 10% of consumption. And consumption, like it's what say in the question, it may be possible that farm produce will account for as much as 10% of cities dash overall cities, like cities demand. So cities consumption, it is answer number 3. Now fill the table. Intensive farming, I will find intensive farming. Perhaps significant drills is farming aeroponic currently consequence. Inner city advantage says as much. Fruits vegetable another question. Trade sometimes different pesticide intense. Here is our intensive farming techniques are predicted that as much a huge greenhouse. So what say here? Say growth. Intensive farming, wide range of dash use. Technique, polluted air. That's a greenhouse. As say the greenhouse, that's polluted air. Intensive farming technique produce such as. So read carefully again. First, I don't much like the fact that most of the fruit and vegetable we eat have been treated uh, with sometimes like 17 different pesticide, 17 different like wide range of pesticide is the answer no 4, because there's a wide range, that means 70 different. Has the selection, quality not good, quality not good, variety of fruit and vegetables chosen survive long, quality not good. I don't much like fact either the travel average 2000 kilometer. Refrigerator and plant quality is poor quality. I find the quality is so poor, that's not bad, because the varieties of selected their food capacity. Withstand is another thing, such as substantial journey, or that 80% of the price I pay goes to the wholesaler, and transport companies know the producer. So what say here? Quality is not good. Yeah, it's poor quality. Variety of fruits, vegetables chosen that can survive long, and the overall income receive little. That's mean 20%. Rest of 20% overall income. So question on answer on 5 will be poor quality variety selection of their capacity withstand such substantial journey, because after long journey 80% go wholesale and 20% rest of 20% goes to the producer, this poor amount. So here is our, we can erase this thing again and say a substantial journey and producer. If we match their varieties of fruit and vegetable chosen that can survive long journey. So here is a journey. Producer receive very little overall income. Yes, it's matched with the information. So answer number 5 would be journey, and answer number 6 will be producer. Whereas the answer number question number 7, soil free. Aeroponic and for soil free produce choice because of it, because it's something aeroponic farming choice. What's the reason? Because of chosen produce growth using the soil free relies slowly small quantity of water. It's the facilities increase the nutrition around pipe produce up to here soil located down travel at all. Harvest you can select crop variety of flavor, instead of transportation, storage, claim, and has flavor as a nutrients, and flavor is the, here is the choose because of nutrition. We choose because of nutrition, and sorry nutrients, as mentioned here, nutrient add water, which recycled water is chosen because of its dash, because of its flavor. You can select, that means choose, you can choose, select and choose variety of their flavor. So it's answer number 7. The question from 8 to 13, true false not given. We already complete, we already get the 8 wrong answer. It's true because it's soil free, so you can easily guess it. Question number 9, some of equipment used aeroponic farming can be made by hand. Urban farming relies on electricity, then some type of farming. Okay, so let's go to the prices again. Here, what does it say here? Sport, then strawberry root ethanol recycled method, useless water intensive farming 8. Urban not focusing on phenomena inner city burning despite bang. Strawberry grow on disused shipping container. Yes, mushroom underground trigger. This is the on thing of scope. It's a soil free or above. That's mean container and underground car park. Aeroponic farming, he says, purchase the equipment with little installed almost on flat surface, cheap to buy. And question 9, there is no information about handmade something. So answer 9 will be not given. And urban farming relies on electricity. Urban farming relies on electricity. Cheap farming, okay, then it's cheap to run. To consumption teeny fraction of electricity, a teeny fraction used by some technique. So what's say here? Urban farming relies on more electricity, but has a teeny electricity. It's a contradict. That means it's a false. False. So question number 11. Fruits and vegetables grown on the aromatic urban farming are cheaper than traditional grow. Okay, cheaper. It's like price related. Produce grow in this way typically sells at price while generally higher than those of classic intensive agriculture and lower than soil-based organic farming, has the inflation lower than soil-based organic farming. So it's true. 11 is true. Uh, Now we'll solve question number 12. Most produce can be grown on the aromatic urban farm at any time of the year. Bean take longer to grow. Okay, let's find the bean and urban farming here. There are limit of what farmer can grow. Course March, it is summer month. Suited they produce. Of course, much of the produce suited to the summer month. Summer month. Here is the summer month. Root vegetable we cannot do at the list of the year. He says radish are okay, but carrot, potato, that kind of thing are root simply too long. So it is a good summer month, but what they say in this question say all the time. It's to contradict this contrast with this passage. Question on 12. Passage says in the summer month. Question says any time of the year. That's why it's contrast with the passage. That's why it will be false. And question on 13. Bean take longer to grow on the urban farm to other vegetable. So bean. Find out the bean kind thing, root to longer fruit, and obviously not option. And bean. Yes, a bean tend to take up lot of space for no much return. Nevertheless, urban farming kind being practiced in Paris on part of bigger and fast changing picture that is bring food production chosen in our lives. So we can say there is no information about this. So question number 13 will be not given. Thanks for watching this video.